Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a deep dive into the 6 best mini PCs you can buy in 2026. Compact systems that deliver real desktop power without taking up space. From creator-focused performance machines to ultra-efficient home office setups, I'll walk you through the key features, real strengths, drawbacks, and pricing. I'll also break things down by use case, whether you need a small PC for editing, gaming, everyday multitasking, or a quiet workstation that fits anywhere. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which mini PC matches your workflow and budget. So, let's get started. Let's start with the Apple Mac Mini M4, a compact desktop built for users who want maximum performance in the smallest possible footprint. Priced at around $1,300, this updated model leans fully into Apple Silicon, using the M4 Pro chip to deliver workstation-level power inside a 5x5-inch enclosure. It's designed for demanding workflows like managing complex visual scenes, compiling massive codebases, or running multiple creative apps at once, and it handles those tasks with impressive efficiency. Despite the tiny size, thermals remain well-controlled, allowing the system to maintain consistent performance under heavy loads. Connectivity is also stronger than ever. Along the back, you get Thunderbolt, HDMI, and Gigabit Ethernet, while the front now includes USB-C ports and a headphone jack for quick access. This makes it easy to plug in accessories, audio gear, and portable drives without reaching behind your setup. macOS feels extremely fluid thanks to Apple Silicon, and apps like Adobe Creative Cloud and Microsoft 365 benefit from fast launch times and smooth multitasking. Apple Intelligence adds helpful writing and productivity tools with on-device privacy safeguards, and integration with iPhone, like copy and paste, messaging, and screen mirroring, makes the workflow seamless. The main downside is that storage and memory can't be upgraded later, so configuration choices matter. Still, for anyone who wants serious desktop performance in a minimal, quiet, and highly efficient form factor, the Mac Mini M4 is a standout option. Next up is the Lenovo IdeaCenter Mini, a compact Windows desktop designed for users who want strong everyday performance without the premium price tag. At around $720, it delivers a balanced mix of power, storage, and versatility in a very small form factor. Inside, it's powered by Intel's Core i5-13500H processor, a 12-core, 16-thread chip that reaches up to 4.7 GHz. This gives the system enough muscle for productivity workloads, light creative tasks, and multitasking across multiple apps or browser tabs. Paired with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, it runs Windows 11 Pro smoothly, even during heavier sessions. Storage is handled by a 512 GB PCIe NVMe SSD, which provides fast boot times and quick file access. It's not massive, but it strikes a good balance for users focused on office work, streaming, and cloud-based workflows. Connectivity is one of the IdeaCenter Mini's biggest strengths. You get a wide range of ports: Thunderbolt 4, 5 USB ports across different speeds, HDMI, DisplayPort, Ethernet, and a front audio jack. With Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth, wireless connections stay reliable as well. The integrated Intel UHD graphics won't handle high-end gaming or 3D workloads, but they're perfectly fine for daily computing and 4K video playback. The main limitation is that this isn't a machine for heavy creative rendering or GPU-intensive tasks, but for students, home offices, and professionals who need a compact, affordable, and well-connected Windows desktop, the IdeaCenter Mini offers excellent practical value. Next up is the Geekom Axe 8 Mini PC with AMD Ryzen 7, a compact system built for users who want serious performance and flexibility in a small footprint. Priced around $639, it stands out for offering multiple performance modes that adapt to different workloads. Quiet mode keeps power draw and fan noise low for studying or basic office tasks. Normal mode is tuned for everyday productivity and even light content creation. And performance mode pushes the hardware to its limits, making it capable of running modern 8AA games more comfortably than most mini PCs in this price range. Switching modes is simple. Just tap F7 to access the BIOS. The Axe 8's build quality is another highlight. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum alloy and precision machined, it feels sturdy while maintaining excellent thermal efficiency. Inside, you get the Ryzen 7 8745HS paired with the Radeon 780M integrated GPU, which rivals older dedicated cards like the GTX 1060. For users who need even more power, its USB 4 port allows connection to an external GPU. Cooling is managed by Geekom's Ice Blast 2.0 system, using honeycomb vents, reinforced heat pipes, and an efficient fan to keep noise lower than expected under load. Connectivity is exceptional, with dual 2.5G LAN ports, dual USB 4, multiple HDMI outputs, and support for up to 4 8K displays. With 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, a 1TB NVMe SSD, Wi-Fi 6E, and a 3-year warranty, the AX8 is ideal for power users, creators, and gamers who want maximum capability in a compact, well-engineered desktop. Next up is the GMKtec M5 Plus, a budget-friendly gaming mini PC that delivers surprising power for its price. At around $430, it's built around AMD's Ryzen 7 5825U, an 8-core, 16-thread processor based on the Zen 3 Plus architecture. In quiet mode, it runs efficiently at 2.0 GHz for low-noise office tasks, but switching to performance mode unlocks boost speeds up to 4.5 GHz. GMKtec claims a roughly 35% improvement over earlier Ryzen mobile chips, and in real use it handles productivity, multitasking, and light to mid-range gaming far better than expected for this size and category. Memory and storage are also strong points. You get 32 GB of dual-channel DDR4 and a 1TB PCIe SSD, both upgradable if you want to expand down the road. Networking is handled by dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports, making the M5 Plus suitable for advanced setups like software rooting, NAS applications, or running small office servers. Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 add reliable, low-latency wireless connectivity. For graphics, the integrated Radeon GPU isn't designed for 8AA gaming at high settings, but it's capable of smooth 1080p performance in many titles and supports triple-screen output in 4K. The port selection is generous, offering USB-C with display support, HDMI, DisplayPort, multiple USB ports, and a full audio jack. Next up is the Beelink Ser5, a compact mini PC built for users who want strong everyday performance without spending much. At just under $300, it's powered by AMD's Ryzen 5 5000U, a 6-core 12-thread processor based on the 7nm Zen 2 architecture. With boost speeds up to 4.0 GHz, it's well-suited for creative work, coding, image editing, office tasks, and home entertainment. It's not positioned as a gaming machine, but for productivity and general multitasking, it offers more power than most systems in this price range. Cooling is handled through a copper heat pipe and fan system, combined with high-grade thermal paste, allowing the SER5 to maintain performance even under heavier workloads. Dual display output through HDMI and DisplayPort also helps boost productivity for users who rely on multiple screens. Connectivity is another strength. You get 3 USB 3.2 ports, a USB 2.0 port, USB-C for data, a 2.5 gigabit LAN port, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2. Internal upgrades are straightforward as well, with dual-channel 16 GB DDR4 already installed and support for up to 64 GB of memory and 4 TB of NVMe storage. Its limitations mainly relate to integrated graphics, which offer modest gaming performance, but that's expected at this price. For students, home offices, media centers, or anyone who needs an affordable and reliable mini PC with solid performance and upgrade options, the Beelink Ser5 is a practical and well-rounded choice. The Zotac Magnus 1 is a compact powerhouse designed for creators, gamers, and anyone who needs full-size desktop performance without the bulk of a tower. At its core is Intel's Core i7-10700, an 8-core processor capable of boosting up to 4.8 GHz, giving this mini PC enough strength for video editing, rendering 3D workloads, and smooth multitasking across demanding apps. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 LHR, You get modern ray-traced graphics, excellent 1440p performance, and the headroom needed for VR setups or high-resolution creative projects. It's built to handle quad display output as well, supporting up to 4K at 120 Hz through HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort, which is particularly useful for productivity-focused workflows. Inside, the system includes 16 GB of DDR4 memory and a 1 TB hard drive, and users can expand storage with additional SSDs for faster project loading and application performance. Connectivity is another strong point, offering Wi-Fi 6 through the killer AX1650 module, Bluetooth 5, gigabit networking, and 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet for low-latency transfers. With 8 USB 3.0 ports and both USB 3.1 and USB-C available, peripherals, capture devices, and external drives can all be integrated without limitation. That wraps up our look at the 6 best mini PCs in 2026. Hopefully, this helps you find the right one for gaming, creative work, or a compact home setup. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.